Welcome to Property Focus, I'm James Mitchell. Making headlines this week, further rate cuts fail to lure investors back into the market, and regional towns are where you should be buying. But first, to our lead story. The Brisbane market has finally bottomed out and is looking ripe for investment, according to Positive Real Estate Director Sam Saggers. Speaking to Property Focus, Mr. Saggers said that entry-level properties close to the Brisbane CBD are being snapped up for around $300K.
Compare it to Sydney, it's some 38% less expensive. Melbourne, it's 16% less expensive. And even areas of small cities such as Darwin have higher unit prices right now than Brisbane. So for me, 2 million people, great city, it's on the move. Why not? It's a safe bet.
The Reserve Bank's rate cut this month was good news for investors, but it may still take a few more before they jump back into the market, RP Data's senior research analyst Cameron Cusher said. Mr. Cusher said that while the last cycle of rate cuts in 2008 were coupled with government-backed stimulus incentives, this time around investors and home buyers will be more cautious before re-entering the market.
I think this time home buyers will be a lot more wary about doing that because after the last experience they'll see as soon as things get better again, the Reserve Bank will start hitching up those rates.
If you're looking for strong yields and outstanding capital growth, regional areas are bang on the money, according to Next Hotspot founder Luke Berry. Mr. Berry said that as investment in mining continues to grow, so will the demand for residential property in regional areas.
When you think about what's happening in Australia today, and most likely for the next few years, is the investment in mining or industries associated with mining, and they're not in a CBD area. So I encourage any investor to have a look at that maybe as a start and get out. You know, the yields out there used to be high, capital growth low, but I think that if you get out of the city and you look at price points and buying well, that you can still achieve good strong rental yields and good strong capital growth.
And don't forget that the January issue of Smart Property Investment is now on newsstands. Pick up a copy today to discover the property secret that's about to explode. That's what's making news this week. I'm James Mitchell. Enjoy your holidays and we'll see you next year.